Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Lemon8 app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just click on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down, click here on apps. Come to apps list, and here you're looking for Lemon8 app. You just click on search. Then here at Lemon8, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. Click on first stop. Click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage. Come to storage list here. Just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, you just go to your Play Store. Click on it here. So then here you search for Lemon8 app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update. Click on it. Then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.